Looking for a high-performance component for your automation equipment or CNC machines? The precision ball screw is your ideal choice. This ball screw boasts high precision, which is crucial in modern industrial applications. In automation systems and production lines, even the slightest deviation can lead to significant errors. High rigidity is another remarkable feature. In the operation of automation equipment and machine tools, there are often various forces at play. A ball screw with high rigidity can withstand these forces without deforming, create a more efficient and comfortable working environment. When it comes to durability, this ball screw truly shines. It is made of quality materials, which gives it a long service life. Another word it means less frequent replacements, saving both time and money for businesses. Moreover, it is highly versatile. It can be used in a wide range of industrial applications, from simple automation systems to complex production lines. And if you have specific requirements, it can be customized to fit your needs. In conclusion, it offers stable operation, efficient transmission, and the flexibility to meet your unique demands. Upgrade your equipment with this amazing ball screw today.